Take her.
Couple more minutes, she'll be done.
Okay. Now, how are you this fine day?
Wasting your camera on him.
I got a full battery.
Already? Those are brand new ones. Sal's been ignoring your quota. Did you ever pick them up? Who's watching?
I don't know. Probably like Honey I Shrunk the Kids. He's right there.
Put him in the box.
Come here.
Outside, you'll tell me. Put it inside. Cal heard something in the night and she goes in the box.
Take one, go in the box.
I'll put him in the box and I'll pick him up and I'll be like to the camera.
I got a cat for Christmas.
Close up.
We're catnapping.
Take a picture of him in the window.
Keep it in the light. Keep it in the light.
In the light.
I'm videoing him. You can't see it.
Kitty in the box.
Over here. I got it.